And the main thing you have to remember, after 5 boxes, like see, 1 2 3 4 5, after fifth box there is a discontinuity. To use this overall track, we have to use a wire which is known as male to male wire. From one of the fifth box to another sixth box, if you connect them, this is ready. The overall track is ready to use, and only these tracks works. Overall 10 tracks, and below this track is have again discontinuity. And if you want to use this track, you have to place the wires in the below terminals. Now you can use this overall track.